Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Troubleshooting download file errors, a comprehensive guide with code examples. Download file errors are a common frustration for both users and developers. They can manifest in various forms, from corrupted files to incomplete downloads, and identifying the root cause is crucial for implementing effective solutions. This guide will delve into the common causes of download file errors, provide troubleshooting steps, and offer code examples in various programming languages to help you handle these errors gracefully. Understanding the causes of download file errors. Before diving into solutions, let's categorize the primary causes of download errors. 1. Network issues ***. Intermittent connectivity ***. A fluctuating or unstable internet connection can disrupt the download process, leading to incomplete files or connection timeouts. Firewall/proxy interference *** Firewalls or proxy servers may block or interfere with download requests due to security policies or misconfiguration. DNS resolution problems *** The domain name system, DNS, translates domain names into IP addresses. If DNS resolution fails, the client cannot locate the server hosting the file. 2. Server-side problems ***. Server overload ***. A server struggling to handle a high volume of requests can lead to slow download speeds, dropped connections, and errors. File not found, 404 error. The requested file might not exist at the specified URL due to a typo in the link, file deletion, or server misconfiguration. Internal server errors, 500 error. An unexpected error occurred on the server, preventing it from serving the file. This can be due to bugs in server-side code or server resource issues. Insufficient permissions ***. The server might require authentication or specific permissions to access the file. 3. Client-side issues ***. Browser issues ***. Corrupted browser cache, incompatible extensions, or outdated browser versions can interfere with the download process. Antivirus/security software Antivirus software may incorrectly flag a file as malicious and prevent it from being downloaded. Disk space problems Insufficient disk space on the client's machine will prevent the full download from completing. Corrupted file system Damaged sectors on the hard drive can cause file corruption during or after the download. 4. Transfer problems Incomplete downloads The download process was interrupted before the entire file was transferred. This can be due to network issues, server problems, or user intervention, example closing the browser window. File corruption The file was successfully downloaded, but it's damaged or contains errors. This can occur due to bit flips during transmission, incorrect encoding, or server-side corruption. Incorrect content type The server sends an incorrect content type header, causing the browser to misinterpret the file format. 2. Troubleshooting steps. Before jumping into code, follow these general troubleshooting steps. 1. Verify network connectivity ***. Ping the server's domain name or IP address. Check your internet connection speed. Restart your modem and router. Temporarily disable firewall or proxy settings, with caution. 2. Check the URL ensure the URL is correct and doesn't contain typos. Try accessing the URL in a different browser. If the URL redirects, follow the redirects in your browser's developer tools to see where it leads. 3. Clear browser cache and cookies Clear your browser's cache, cookies, and browsing history. 4. Disable browser extensions Asterisk disable browser extensions one by one to identify if any extension is interfering. 5. Check server status asterisk. Asterisk if possible, check the server status using online tools or by contacting the server administrator. Asterisk look for maintenance announcements or known outages. 6. Try a different browser or download manager asterisk. Asterisk use a different browser to see if the issue is browser specific. Asterisk use a download manager to resume interrupted downloads and verify file integrity. 7. Check disk space asterisk. Asterisk ensure you have enough free disk space to accommodate the file. 8. Disable antivirus temporarily, with caution. Asterisk temporarily disable your antivirus software to see if it's interfering. Be careful about downloading files from untrusted sources when antivirus is disabled. 9. Re-download the file asterisk. Asterisk the most basic but often effective step. Try downloading the file again from a different source if available. 3. Code examples for handling download errors. Now, let's look at code examples demonstrating how to handle download errors in different programming languages. These examples focus on detecting errors, providing informative feedback to the user, and implementing strategies for resuming downloads. 1. Python, using requests library. Key improvements and explanations. Asterisk stream equals true asterisk this is essential for downloading large files. It avoids loading the entire file into memory at once, which can lead to memory errors. Instead, it downloads the file in chunks. Asterisk response.raise underscore for underscore status, asterisk this is a crucial step. It checks the HTTP status code returned by the server. If the status code indicates an error, 4xx or 5xx, it raises an HTTP error exception, which you can catch and handle. Without this, your code might proceed as if the download was successful even if the server returned an error. Asterisk error handling asterisk the try, except block now catches a wider range of potential errors, including asterisk requests.exceptions.http error, for HTTP errors, example 404 not found, 500 internal server error. Asterisk requests.exceptions.connection error, for network-related errors, example connection refused, DNS resolution failure. Asterisk requests.exceptions.timeout, for connection timeouts. Asterisk requests.exceptions.request exception, a base class for all requests exceptions, it catches any other potential issues with the request. Asterisk exception, catches any other unexpected errors during file processing, making the code more robust. Asterisk clear error messages asterisk the except blocks provide more specific and helpful error messages to the user, indicating the type of error that occurred. Asterisk progress bar asterisk a simple progress bar is included using \r, carriage return, to overwrite the previous line, providing a visual indication of download progress. Asterisk content length check asterisk the code now gets the content length header from the server, if provided, to determine the total size of the file. It then compares the downloaded size to the expected size to detect incomplete downloads. If the file size differs and download incomplete, message is printed. Asterisk binary write mode, WB the file is opened in binary write mode, WB, to ensure that the downloaded data is written correctly, regardless of the file type. This is crucial for non-text files. Asterisk download complete message asterisk prints download complete, at the end for clarity. Asterisk chunking, block size the download is done in chunks, block underscore size. This is more efficient for large files because it doesn't try to load the entire file into memory at once. The iter_content method provides an iterator that yields chunks of the response data. 2. JavaScript, using Fetch API. Key improvements and explanations. *async/await uses async/await for cleaner asynchronous code. This makes the code easier to read and understand, especially when dealing with promises. *fetch API uses the modern Fetch API, which is preferred over XML HTTP request for making HTTP requests. Fetch is based on promises. *response.ok checks response.ok to verify that the HTTP status code is in the 200 to 299 range. Success. If not, it throws an error. *response.blob converts the response to a blob, binary large object. Blobs represent raw data, making them suitable for handling files of various types. *dynamic link creation creates a temporary anchor element dynamically. This element is used to trigger the download. This method is generally more reliable and works better across different browsers than directly setting window.location.ref. *url.create object URL, blob, creates a temporary URL for the blob object. This URL is assigned to the href attribute of the A element. *link.download equals file name sets the download attribute of the A element. This tells the browser to download the file with the specified file name. If this attribute is not set, the browser may try to navigate to the URL instead of downloading the file. *error handling the try, catch block handles potential errors during the fetch process. It logs the error to the console and displays an alert message to the user. The error message includes the details of the error, making it easier to diagnose the problem. *user feedback provides an alert message to the user if the download fails, giving them immediate feedback about the problem. *resource cleanup the temporary link element is appended to the document body, click to initiate the download, and then immediately removed from the document body to clean up resources. 3. C. Using HTTP client. Key improvements. *HTTP client and async/await uses the modern HTTP client class for making HTTP requests asynchronously using async/await. This improves responsiveness and avoids blocking the main thread. *HTTP response message and ensure success status code uses HTTP response message to handle the response and ensure success status code to throw an exception if the HTTP status code indicates an error. This helps to catch and handle HTTP errors effectively. *streaming with stream downloads the file using streams, which is more efficient for large files as it avoids loading the entire file into memory at once. *progress reporting provides progress updates during the download, showing the percentage downloaded. This gives the user feedback about the download progress. It checks content length. Has value before calculating the percentage in case the server doesn't provide the content length. Exception handling includes try-catch blocks to handle potential exceptions during the download process, such as network errors or file access errors. Asynchronous file writing uses file stream with asynchronous writing, true pass to the constructor, for better performance. Buffer size specifies a buffer size for reading and writing to the stream. The larger the buffer size, the fewer read/write operations will be performed, potentially improving performance. File access and share mode specifies file mode.create, file access.write, and file share.none when creating the file stream. This ensures that the file is created or overwritten, that it is only opened for writing, and that other processes cannot access the file while it is being written to. Do while loop for reading. Uses a do while loop to read from the content stream until the end of the stream is reached. This ensures that all data is read from the stream. Null check for bytes read. Before writing the buffer to the file, it now checks the value of bytes read. If bytes read is 0, that signals the end of the stream. 4. Implementing resumable downloads. Resumable downloads are a crucial feature for large files or unreliable connections. The basic idea is to 1. Check for an existing file. If the download was interrupted, check if a partially downloaded file exists. 2. Get the file size. Determine the size of the existing file. 3. Set the range header. When making the new request, set the range header to specify the byte range to download, starting from the end of the existing file. 4. Append to the existing file. Open the existing file in append mode and write the new data to it. Here's a Python example illustrating resumable downloads. Changes compared to the basic download. Start _byte keeps track of the starting byte for the download, based on the existing file size. Headers equals range, f bytes equals start _byte dash * sets the range header to request only the remaining bytes. Open, file path, UB, opens the file in append binary mode, UB, so that the downloaded data is appended to the existing file. Total size calculation. The total size is now computed as int, response.headers.get, content length, 0, plus start _byte. Correct progress reporting. The progress reporting is adjusted for the fact that we're resuming the download. Handling specific error scenarios. 404, not found. If you receive a 404 error, double-check the URL and ensure the file exists on the server. If you are generating the URL dynamically, verify that the logic is correct. Inform the user with a meaningful message such as the requested file could not be found. 500, internal server error. A 500 error usually indicates a problem on the server. There's not much you can do on the client side except try again later. Implement a retry mechanism with exponential backoff. Connection errors. Connection errors are often transient. Implement a retry mechanism with a delay to give the network time to recover. File corruption. After the download completes, consider verifying the file's integrity using a checksum, example MD5, SHA-256. The server should provide the checksum, which you can then compare to the checksum calculated on the downloaded file. Content type mismatch. If the content type header is incorrect, the browser might not know how to handle the file. Try to handle the file data manually by creating a blob object and then creating a download link. 6. Best practices for download management. User feedback. Provide clear and informative feedback to the user about the download progress, any errors that occur, and potential solutions. Error logging. Log download errors to the server-side or client-side logs for debugging and analysis. Include relevant information such as the URL, timestamp, error message, and user information. Retry mechanism. Implement a robust retry mechanism to handle transient errors like network glitches. Resumable downloads. Support resumable downloads for large files and unreliable connections. Checksum verification. Verify the integrity of downloaded files using checksums. Rate limiting. Implement rate limiting to prevent abuse and protect the server from overload. Security. Sanitize URLs and file paths to prevent security vulnerabilities like path traversal attacks. Be mindful of the sources you are downloading files from. 7. Conclusion. Handling download file errors requires a multifaceted approach, including understanding the potential causes, implementing robust error handling in your code, and providing informative feedback to the user. By following the guidelines and code examples provided in this guide, you can significantly improve the reliability and user experience of your file download functionality. Remember to tailor the solutions to the specific context of your application and the types of files you are handling. Good luck.